Hi everyone, in this video we will solve an Harvard exponential math problem 9 power x is equal to 18, find the value of x. So we will start the solution of this question. There are two methods to solve this exponential equation. We will start by method 1. In method 1, we will take the natural logarithm on both sides of the equation, that is ln of 9 power x is equal to ln of 18. Now we will use the logarithm power rule for the left hand side, that is ln of a power m is always equals to m times ln of a. So this equation now becomes x times ln of 9 is equal to ln of 18. We have to divide both sides of the equation by this ln of 9. ln of 9 cancel with ln of 9. We get x equals ln of 18 divided by ln of 9. Now here we will use calculator to find the value of ln. ln of 18 is equal to 2.890 and ln of 9 is equal to 2.197. By putting these values, x will be equal to 2.890 divided by 2.197. This is approximate. So x will be approximately equal to 1.315. This is the value of x from method 1. Now method 2. In method 2 we will use logarithm but with the base 9 on both sides of the equation, that is log of 9 power x with the base 9 is equal to log of 18 with the base 9. Now we will use a power rule for the left hand side. But before using a power rule, we can here use an identity that log of b power x, the base b, is always equals to x. This is a very famous identity. We will apply here on the left hand side, so it will become x equals log of 18 with the base 9. Here we will use change of base formula. So change of base formula is basically log of b with the base a is always equals to log of b divided by log of a. So x will be equal to log of 18 divided by log of 9. Now again we have to use a calculator to find the value of log of 18 and log of 9. Log of 18 by using calculator is equal to 1.255 and log of 9 is approximately equal to 0.954. So by putting this value, x will be equal to approximately equal to 1.255 divided by 0.954. So x will be approximately equal to 1.315, which is the same value of x as in the method 1. So either we use a natural log to solve this question or logarithm with the base 9, we get the same approximate value of x, which is 1.315. If we put this value back in our given question, then left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So these are the two methods to solve this question. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of my new daily videos. Once again, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.